Our direct debit was about £200-300 a month. Now, my direct debit is £1.
Go on then. You clapping for duvets.
Four-bedroom detached house, 160 square meters. East Sussex. When we moved there, it was a brand new house and it had gas boiler. I've got 16 panels, which is 510 kilowatt. Then I've got another 10 more in the front with another battery. That means I've got about 32 kilowatt of batteries now. Breathing up about 8 pump and everything. I spoke to about 5-6 companies. Then I saw a lot of videos about Geek and just like, oh.
Deen was very motivated when we came round here. He'd already got EV and he's already got batteries and some solar. So he was part way on the journey. We always know when it's relatively new that it's going to be built to building regulations. The heat loss is going to be reasonably good. We realised that actually because his system had been put in relatively well by the developers and the radiators are sized pretty well, there wasn't going to be much need for radiator upgrade. So in properties like this where we're not having to get too much into detail with that, it's very quick and easy to get to a conclusion and provide them with a service that they're happy with at an affordable price.
Chris was just incredible. When he came along, he knew everything. He did the survey and everything, and he said, we don't need to change any rad. I said, but you've seen so many companies, because I've had companies come along, I'm not mentioning no name, that said they need to change about 7 rad. But nothing was changed. He asked him questions and it was ready to go. Even some of the stuff I wasn't sure about. And the design as well, because when I said to him, I said, look, I want to put my pump this way. He went, no, we're not going to put it there. Because if you put it there, it's going to be too many pipe running around your house. But if you put it where we put it, it's going to be a lot better. And it was just incredible. Just the way he just explained everything to me, make it look so easy. And I'm like, okay, thank you. Yeah, we had a delivery on Monday morning. Monday morning, turn up. But the vans were here, and the delivery turned up, and I'm like, oh, okay. It wasn't like, oh, we start work next day. It was Monday morning, everybody start working. And I said, look, it's going to take about 3 to 4 days. And it was 3 to 4 days. You know, when people say, oh, they're going to rip all your floorboard up. No, it's only my bedroom. The floorboard was lifted up, which I don't even know they've lifted it up because it's going to put it back perfect again.
Obviously, our primary concern after the installation is ensuring that the customer has got comfort straight away. We want that system to not only be performing, but performing properly throughout the house. So we'll make sure that the balancing's on check for the whole house, so that we've got the room to room, we're not having any disparities in temperature if we can possibly help it. And really helping the customer understand how that system is supposed to be working. So any other complementary renewables such as batteries, and so how we can get those to work the best. So we might suggest that they do their hot water overnight, for instance, while they've got a cheap window of electricity, as well as charging their batteries. And then eking that battery usage out during the day. Obviously, where you've got solar into the mix as well, somebody can have an excess of electricity generation, and that can be paid back to the grid, perhaps in the summer, and then that offsets for any extra overcosts in the winter. We are 9 months in and we're on 420% efficiency, and still with the remainder of the summer to go, really. So it's looking pretty good.
I think it's one of the best thing ever. It's because since I got it installed in October, for example, I've got friends come over and they're like, yes, it's not boiling, but it's not cold. But we know something is on. But it's just perfect. Last month I got paid £120 back from Octopus. The month before that I got £70 back. And right now, if they give me my bill now, they'll be paying me another £100 back. Now I don't have to worry about the bill going up, which is what made me smile every month when I get a bill from Octopus and they pay me.
As far as I'm concerned, if anybody adopts this kind of strategy, they really, to really reduce their utility bills and dependency on the grid in general. When things go south in other countries and that affects the fuel prices, we get an uptick in people being interested for obvious reasons, because they feel vulnerable to energy price changes, and that it's just proof that when you put various technologies in a house and they can work together consistently, then you can actually get a very good return on investment.